ESCO Security is proud to partner with Sight and Sound Theaters, Lancaster, PA. ESCO Security designed a complex fire alarm system to accommodate large rooms with high ceilings such as the workshops, dusty and warm areas such as the barns, office spaces, and of course the main theater. Our solutions include installing beam detectors in areas with high ceilings, horn strobes with speakers to aid in evacuations, and we also monitor the water flow of the sprinkler system. ESCO Security, protecting area homes and businesses since 1984.